here's how to get the Amazon Prime Access free trial. And so this trial is for Prime Access. You get 30 days free, and then Prime is actually 50% off after that. This is for people who are on government assistance. So if you match the qualifying income level, if we scroll down on this page, by the way, link to this page is in the description down below, a little shortcut, you can actually select Prime Access for $6.99 per month after your 30-day free trial. So when you select that, then you can click on this little yellow button. It's probably going to take you to the page where it has you verify your income and all this other stuff that you need to qualify for this plan, this discounted Amazon Prime plan. And Prime Access comes with that free fast delivery, Prime Video, so video streaming, Amazon Prime Music, as well as Amazon Photos, so unlimited storage. Now, if you don't qualify for this plan, there's another way to get a discounted plan, and that is if you are between 18 and 24 years old, or if you're a student with a .edu email address. There is a link in the description for this one too. Basically, it's called Amazon Prime for young adults. It's also kind of like student access, but you get a 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime, and then after that, it's $7.50 a month, so it's 50% off. As long as you continue to qualify, whether you're in that age group or you're still a student. So you get 5% cash back on everyday items, and then $0 food deliveries, unlimited streaming, all this same Prime benefits with this other plan as well. And if you don't qualify for any of those, then basically you've got your 30-day free trial of Amazon Prime, and then after that it's $15 a month. Or even cheaper would be to pay for the annual, which is down here, $139 per year, which is much cheaper than whatever 15 times 12 is, something like 174 or 75, something like that, just off the top of my head. But that is it. That's how you can get these discounted Amazon Prime memberships, and that's how you can try Prime Access for free.